elevators in my apartment building in independent service mode. You select the floor, it does nothing. To hold door closes until it closes completely. And this should also work. Call cancel should work in independent, but for some reason it's not. And my focus is off. Yeah. Interesting. There's no way to turn it off because it's one of those key switches. I don't have my keys. Wonder why both of them are in that mode. You can also hold the floor button. And that works it as well, holding the floor. The other elevator's on 4, let's go see it. Some dummy left these on independent mode. I'm not quite sure who that would be. And then someone major busted this one. Oh yeah, they jammed the door interlocks. That's great, that's busted. Huh. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I wish that would work. I'm just gonna take it back down to 1 and well, that's great. This one still works, just on independent mode for some reason.